My dear students, good morning to all of you. Today I am going to discuss the topic chemical kinetics. Chemical kinetics is a topic which concerns rate of a chemical reaction. Rate of a chemical reaction, or we can say speed of a chemical reaction. For finding mechanism of a chemical reaction means suppose to a reaction is carried out, reactants are converted into the product. That conversion of reactants into the product at what rate which is to be converted, that can be studied by the rate of a reaction. So here that rate of reaction is relates with this topic of chemical kinetics. Basically, rate of reaction or rate of reaction, or we can say here speed of reaction. Speed of a reaction. Rate of reaction or speed of a reaction. Speed means we know very clearly speed is always measured with respect to the time. For example, in case of speed is nothing but the distance upon time. It means whether what the distance which is covered from one place to another place with respect to the per time, with respect to the per unit time. Likewise, here rate of reaction is also if a reaction is completed from reactant to the product, then at what rate the reaction is completed. It means here the chemical kinetics, it relates with the rate of a reaction as well as mechanism of a chemical reaction which is converted from reactant into the product. Rate of a reaction which is defined, rate of a reaction is defined basically, suppose a chemical reaction, A is the reactant is there which is converted into the product B. Here A is the reactant and product is the B. In a chemical reaction, A is the reactant and B is the product. A reactant molecules are converted into the product B. It means initially some concentration of reactant molecules are there, A. After some time, the reactant molecules are converted into the product. It means that all the reactants are converted into the product at what rate which is converted. It means concentration of the reactant molecules after some time, obviously they are decreases. And in case of the productants, the concentration of the productants, those are the increases. It means that rate of a chemical reaction is defined decreased in the concentration of the reactant in unit time or increase in the concentration of the product in unit time. That we can write here. Rate of a reaction is equal to decrease in the concentration of reactant in unit time. You can say here in unit time. Or obviously it may also be defined in terms of the product rate of reaction equal to increase in the concentration of product in unit time. It means the rate of reaction, it can be defined in two ways. Whether there is a decrease in the concentration of the reactant or whether the increase in the concentration of the product. So here I will repeat again, the rate of a reaction is always defined with respect to the time, that is decrease in the concentration of the reactant in unit time or increase in the concentration of the product in unit time. Mathematically we can write here, suppose this is a chemical reaction. If A is the reactant molecules converted into the product, it can be shown rate of a reaction in terms of reactants is equal to, here can I write as negative sign, decrease in the concentration of A divided by dt. So here we are familiar about how to write the concentration of the reactant molecules and the product molecules. If A, the symbolic A, we can say here this is the reactant and B is the product. Here the square bracket, it can be shown as the concentration of the reactant molecules. Here D, that is small change is there for particular time. If per unit time, we can say dt is the unit time. In a unit time, small decrease in the concentration of the reactant, that is minus dA upon dt. So always keep it to be remember this negative sign. We are writing here the negative sign. Here what is this negative sign? This negative sign shows decrease in the concentration of the reactant molecules. Getting my point? Here the negative sign shows the decrease in the concentration of the reactant molecules. We know that any chemical reaction, suppose if a reaction is carried out in the laboratory, reactant molecules are taken in a conical flask or in a particular we can say round bottom flask. If reaction is started, means reactant molecules are there, they are converted into the product. Here those concentration is decreases, that is shown, means whenever the product is formed, obviously reactant molecule concentration is decreases, means reactant concentration is always less. It means reactants are converted into the product. Here this indication, this negative sign indicating that we are decreasing the concentration of the reactant molecules. Likewise, rate of reaction, or we can write it in any ways, rate of reaction in terms of product. Is equal to, here dB, small change of concentration upon dt. Here no negative sign is there, it means this is a positive sign. What this positive one indicates? This positive sign indicates that increase in the concentration of the product side. Okay, so here rate of any chemical reaction, the rate of a chemical reaction is defined as decrease in the concentration of the reactant molecules in unit time or increase in the concentration of the product in unit time. Here time is very important. We are calculating the concentration with respect to the time. Therefore, we can say here rate or speed of a reaction. Always speed is measured with respect to the time. Okay. Let me see for some more example. For example, if a reaction is carried out, 2 moles of reactant A convert into the product. So can I write as rate of reaction? Rate of a reaction is equal to change in the concentration of A with respect to dt, but here stoichiometric amount 2 is there, that we have to write as denominator. We should write in the denominator. And what is remaining here? Here remaining is that we must put the negative sign. This negative sign indicates that decrease in the concentration of the reactant molecules, or we can write here in terms of, if you write in terms of the product, rate of reaction is equal to increase in the concentration of product dt. Now go for the product molecule. Here is, what is the stoichiometric amount? Is only the 1. Therefore, can I write a 1 upon 1 is nothing but the 1. But sign is the positive sign. You are getting my point? Here, whenever stoichiometric amounts are there, that should be written in a denominator form. Or can I say, if Let us take one more example. If A plus B is the reactant molecule, it forms the product C is there. It forms the product C is there, or two products, for example C and D. If A plus B is the reactant molecules, they get combined to form C plus D as a both products. So can we write as rate of reaction? Rate of reaction is equal to decrease in the concentration of A upon dt is equal to minus decrease in the concentration of dB upon dt. Or we can write here rate of reaction in terms of product is equal to, product is the C, concentration of C divided by the dt is equal to concentration of D, small change in the concentration with respect, means why we are writing the small change, because we are writing with unit time, small change of the time, so that we are writing here dC upon dt is equal to dd upon dt. Here no any negative sign is there, keep it to be remember, because these are the product molecules. Whenever writing the concentration of in terms of the product, we must write this is the positive sign. Whenever we are writing the rate of reaction in terms of the negative sign, that is in terms of the reactant with respect to the reactants, we can write as the negative sign. Okay.